All right, time to check in on this weekend's weather with meteorologist Ray Petelin. I heard you say something about 80 degrees tomorrow?
Yeah, real close to it, and some spots will likely hit that 80-degree mark. So a situation much like we had yesterday, where most of the day came in dry. You get those little pop-ups trying to develop as you get into the afternoon, and then into the evening and overnight, that would be our better shot for rain. So that's what we're dealing with here. Tonight, though, we should have a pretty nice night on our hands. 63 degrees in Pittsburgh, 61 here in Cranberry, 62 Newcastle. Temperatures starting to fall down a little bit. Washington is 58 degrees, 59 in Connellsville, 59 Greensburg, a little cooler out towards Somerset, but no matter where you are, these are some pretty nice temperatures to have around the area. Now, you look at the current picture across the Fort Duquesne Bridge, Heinz Field's in the background there. We have 63 degrees, just some high, thin clouds, and 5 to 10 mile per hour winds coming out of the southeast. That's keeping that mild flow going, and that's not going to change too much between now and tomorrow. Our high today was 74 degrees. Our low was 57. We weren't in record territory, but we were in a real nice day. And tomorrow, a little warmer. So here's how it works out. Tonight, we dip down into the low to mid 50s in most spots. You'll probably see some 40s, especially as you work out towards the ridges, but generally a pretty comfortable temperature for mid-April, or approaching mid-April, I should say. Now, when we get into tomorrow, most of our temperatures will find their way to the mid to upper 70s, although some spots are going to make that run towards 80 degrees. I wouldn't be surprised if Washington, Morgantown, Wheeling, Beaver even trying to make that 80-degree day tomorrow. And when you look at the weekend as a whole, we're looking at a pretty dry setup for both days. Now, when it comes to both nights, that's a different story. That's where we're going to see our most widespread rain showers developing. So satellite and radar shows that we've had a little activity trying to drift towards us, but it's encountering some pretty dry air, so this rain's having a real hard time. But it's just telling us that there's some dynamics in the atmosphere that might be able to squeeze out just a stray shower. Now, FUTURECAST shows once we go into tomorrow evening, this is where we start to get those little pop-ups trying to develop. Still pretty good around 5 p.m. If we see anything at this point, it's going to be very isolated. But once we get just a little beyond that, 7, 8 o'clock, this is where we start seeing that rain moving in. This will stay with us into about midnight, and then 2 a.m. a second wave comes through. And then most of Sunday comes in dry other than a spotty shower trying to develop, especially out towards the ridges during the afternoon. Now, Sunday night into Monday, we're going to see these scattered, mainly light rain showers cycling through the area, but I think those will dry up pretty early on Monday. Tonight, dry conditions around 52 degrees, partly cloudy and comfortable. And tomorrow, we're going to see those temperatures return to the upper 70s, a nice warm day. And that comes with just that stray shower in the afternoon. The best chance for rain Saturday night into Sunday, and again Sunday night into Monday. Most of this forecast looks dry. Most of this forecast looks bright, but it starts to cool down as we progress through it. When it comes to this weekend, make sure you have the KDKA weather app downloaded on your mobile device. It gives you up-to-date alerts, up-to-date weather conditions, plus you can track any showers with the interactive radar. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.